Good morning, campers. I recently did a little bit of a short video talking about the lettuce that I had let go to seed in my salad bed, and I showed you how I was just knocking all the seed heads around, making sure plenty of seeds dropped in here. All these brown dead plants are lettuce that I let go to seed, and they filled up with flowers and then seed heads. And so what I've been doing when I'm pulling them out, so I'm just taking these heads and literally just, if you look, there's seeds all over in here. There's seeds everywhere. And that's what all these little seedlings are from. And now that it's not 95 every day, week or two, I should have a ton more seedlings in here. Hopefully fill this thing up here. That was maybe a week ago, and I just wanted to come back and shoot this little update. We have lots of signs of life. Here's what those little volunteers starting to look like. They're taking off on us. Another week or two, we'll have some salad here we can use, but lots more seedlings poking up and around. So this bed is doing exactly what I wanted it to do. I keep plastic over this dome so that all through the fall, winter, and early spring, we've got plenty of salad greens. And then in the summer, I let it all go to seed. It looks like a weedy mess all summer long, but you know, the plants here get about 4 feet tall, flower, and form seed heads. So I had tons of lettuce seed heads. I'm sure there's some spinach in there. Back in that corner, there was some arugula. And just, I let it all go to seed, let it drop its seeds, so that in the fall this happens, I don't have to go in and plant. I did go in and plant last week spinach right in here because I wasn't sure that there was spinach, enough spinach seed to go around. So just hedging my bets. I planted some spinach there and a little bit of red and green mizuna, which is like a mustard green. Add some spice to your salads, add some flavor. I just want to come out and give you that little update. There are signs of life. So we'll have salad again this winter.